Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see how to create a new file in Saral TDS. To start with, go to File menu and select the option New. Here, enter the file name. On entering the name, select the relevant option shown below, that is ETDS purpose only for only the written filing purpose of ETDS, and the second being with detailed calculation, wherein the file so created will be helping the user to auto-calculate the salary TDS of employees. Hence, depending on your requirement, select the relevant option. The file so created will be saved under the data directory as shown below, that is C drive, and where the software is installed. If at all you would like to change this data directory, the same can be changed under the option Data Directory in File menu. On entering the data and selecting the relevant option, click on Create to create the file. If you already have a file from the previous financial year, then the new financial year file can be created from the older financial year data. To create so, go to File menu and select on the option Create New from Existing. Here, select the previous financial year file. After the selection, enter the new financial year file name and enter the new financial year for which this file is being created. After this, enable the relevant checkboxes as applicable, which are shown on the screen. And after enabling these options, click on Create to create this new file. To view the file so created, you can go to the option File, Open, and see the new file that has been created through this option. If you have multiple files from your previous financial year and would like to create a new file for all those, go to Create New from Existing from the File menu and click on Bulk Create in the screen. Here, select the financial year and the files from the previous financial year for which the new files have to be created. Now enter the newer financial year. Enable the checkboxes as applicable and then click on Create to create all the new files. The new files so created will have a name format, that is tan underscore the newer financial year. The new file so created will be having all the master data files, that is the deductor, the deductee, the employee, and the basic settings as set in the previous financial year files. In this way, the new files can be created in Saral TDS. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.